How to change Binance email. So in order for us to change our Binance email, I want you to head over to Binance.com. Once you're here, you're just going to hover over your account, and then we're going to go ahead and click the account option here. After doing so, we're going to click the security, and you should be able to see here your email. So go ahead and click the manage option right here, and then we're going to click the edit button in here. Now, make sure that you are going to read this one first before you are going to continue. It says that you will not be able to do P2P transactions or withdrawals within 24 hours after changing your email. And then we also won't be able to use the old email address for 30 days after updating it. So again, make sure that you have understood everything. And once you're done, click continue button. And then from here, you should be able to write here your new email address. After writing your email address, go ahead and click the get code here, and then check your email address for the code, and then you can go ahead and enter here and also submit it once you're done. So yep, you're just going to have to wait for this one in order for the changes to take effect. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.